Hi, I'm Shelley. In my business, I see firsthand how women often get the short end of the stick when it comes to money. Many women I know complain that their financial advisor only talks to their husband. And it turns out that 70% of widows are going to leave their financial advisor. You know, it's kind of surprising. Despite all the progress we've made, women's financial literacy rates still fall behind the men. But here's the kicker. We're the ones who usually outlive our partners, run the household finances, and lead the charge in starting more businesses. That's why I always say it's time for us ladies to take the reins of our financial destiny. Join me on this journey to financial empowerment. Together we can break down those barriers and build a brighter future for women everywhere. Check out our website, foodandfinancewithshelley.com, and join us on YouTube. Take care.